I'd like to welcome you all for tonight's group dance competition. This is one of the most important events for our society throughout the year. It is at occasions like this we come together to share our common goal and vision. Our mission is to promote and preserve heritage, language, social and culture awareness by providing a platform to Indian community while serving the community needs. I strongly believe that we must preserve, nourish and promote our heritage and culture with a higher value from generations to generations. A Gujarati way is to keep our heads up with unity, pride and dignity. It is your moral duty to work in harmony and peace to keep our culture alive, so that the future generations can be recognized as distinguished Gujaratis. As rightly said, જ્યાં ન પહોંચે કવિ, ત્યાં પહોંચે રવિ. અને જ્યાં ન પહોંચે રવિ, ત્યાં પહોંચે right, Gujarati. Gujaratis have made us proud with their hard work and success in business and all over the world. As we all know, since last few years, Gujarati Society of Central Florida has been working fabulously. It's becoming better and better year by year in terms of membership, programs, and management. To run it more efficiently, we need your support. From this platform today, I'd like to request you all to become a member if you're not. This is your society, so be a part of it. And be part of it. This will help you and your children for their individual development. All kids are not equally talented, but they should get an equal opportunity. We all know that society has been giving us much more than what we give in terms of membership. In nominal fees, society gives us programs like Uttarayan, Holi, Dhuleti, Natak, Garba, talent show, and how can we forget about the wonderful lanis that we get in Navratri? All my lady friends, do you like that? We can celebrate all these festivals with our children and our own people. Thus, our children also understand the importance of our festivals from their early age, and that is how they are molded in our culture. To serve our members in a better way, this year we have introduced ID card system from Navratri. By this way, we could give more facilities to our members, and those who are not members will be motivated to become members. You might get more benefits throughout the year with your ID cards. Today, we have 600 members in our society. Still, we need to tap many Gujaratis who are not members yet. Let us make target of 1,000 members till end of 2013. So let's all try hard to reach each and every Gujarati in Central Florida by accepting a slogan, each one, each one, can't hear you, each one, thank you. Let's all decide that we will make this society stronger and stronger by giving a contribution in terms of services, time, money, or any other help. It takes a lot of time and efforts to put up a show like this. All of the volunteers, committee members, and their families have been working so hard to make this happen. So on behalf of Gujarati Society of Central Florida, I'd like to thank you all who have supported to make this great event successful. Thanks to all the vendors, business owners, families, friends, volunteers, committee members, and their families. In conclusion, we have all succeeded today with our wonderful program. Success is a mandatory focus of life. It is success that everyone tries to achieve, whether in relationship, business, or an event like this. Thank you one and all. May God bless you all. Jai Jai Jai